Hello everyone, welcome back to USEKWU indigenous delish. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Ogbono soup with spinach. Usually I like to make my Ogbono soup with bitter leaf, but today I want to use spinach. Let me take you to the ingredients, okay? So for my delicious ogbono today, I'm going to be using these different parts of beef. This is beef feet. I have the tongue here. I have the cow tail. Okay, so I just want to use this. No goat meat today. I don't want to eat goat meat today. Okay, so I have my stock fish, and then my fish. Here's my crayfish, and here's the big guy. So this is my ogbono. I've already blended. This is blended already, just to save time. I have my onion and pepper. I'm going to use this to parboil my meat. So I have the seasoning cube. Here also is my shrimp. So I have my Cameroon pepper just to add to this in case the pepper is not enough. And then here's my salt. Here's my palm oil and my spinach. I've already cut my spinach. Alright, so I'm going to start cooking my meat right now and the stockfish. The stockfish takes a while to cook, and what I will do is that I will cook my stockfish for 45 minutes, the meat for 20 minutes, but for the cow leg, I'm going to allow it to cook for 30 minutes. So I'll be taking out the meat when it is done to allow the stockfish to get cooked. Okay, here's my stockfish. It's already washed, and I'm just gonna introduce my beef feet. And the cow tail. Okay, and add the tongue. So like I said, when this boils for 20 minutes, I'll take it out from the stockfish so that it doesn't get overcooked. I'm just gonna put this seasoning cube and I'm gonna finish the salt, just a little bit of it. Now I'll blend my onion and my pepper to add to it. Spread it over the meat, and then rinse my blender with the water. And I'm going to cover it and let it boil. Okay, my meat is done and I have my meat stock here, and I've been cooking my fish with it, so my fish will get cooked too. And while this is boiling here, I'm going to fry my ogbono. So for this, I'm going to use my palm oil. I like to mix my ogbono before adding it to my sauce. That way the ogbono would This my little frying pan is from Salad Master. I've been enjoying Salad Master cookware. But everything I got here is from Salad Master. Actually, the aim of this is not just to fry the ogbono. I just want to make sure that everything is mixed. I don't want to have the lumps in my soup. Okay. This is perfectly mixed. It is mixed. So I'm going to introduce it to my soup. The soup is boiling. Yeah, so this looks thick, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the water. Just to get the ogbono out of my frying pan. I'll add the crayfish. Okay. Since the soup has been boiling, I am just going to start adding my meat. First of all, let me add my stockfish. So if you notice, for this soup, I didn't use like seasoning powder, seasoning this and that. Because all that I'm cooking with, they have their flavor, they have their taste that will enhance, the taste of the soup. So, like, I'm a fan of crayfish. I added a lot of crayfish in my soup. So I have the shrimp is there to have the taste also, and then the meat, the stockfish. So, just to make it local, you don't want to add all these. ofe nke a gara university. Ogbono Harvard ka ọ gara. So I will check to know if my salt is enough. Actually, it's better to not have more salt. If you have less salt, you can add more. But if you have too much, there's no remedy for that. This soup can draw for Africa. I'm gonna add my shrimp last. Chaka maka. Okay, he's gonna add the shrimp. Yeah, so you don't want to make your ogbono so watery. This ogbono is thick. Ogbono is actually very healthy for your heart. So one of the benefits of ogbono is that, you know, it helps the heart. In addition to the fact that it makes your food very smooth. Just for a little bit, and then I'll add my vegetable. I'm just gonna add my spinach to this. This is organic spinach. It doesn't actually have water, so I don't need to squeeze anything out. If I had used the baby spinach, yeah, I would be worried about, you know, getting the water out. But this is good. Like I mentioned before, one other way I cook my ogbono is, you know, cook it with bitter leaf. This ogbono is dangerous. And finally, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So I will let it boil for just about 3 minutes. Spinach doesn't actually need to be overcooked. You can eat spinach raw, so why overcook it? Let's check the soup out. Wow! Oh, this looks delicious. It's actually delicious. I just love the consistency. It's not too thick, it's not light. This is done. And you know what? I am going to be enjoying this with my pounded yam. Ooh. I can't wait to have this go down my throat. This is delicious Ogbono soup from USEKWU. Thank you for watching. It was fun cooking with you today. If you like what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.